Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, then my name is Ananya. I would really like you to take a minute, subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's quickly start. This is going to be a very interesting video because I really love to watch makeup collection. So I want to show you my makeup collection that I have collected from the last 1 year. Although I have started doing YouTube like 3 months ago, but I really wanted to share it with you guys, and I'll be truthful, I don't know what to do next. I don't want to do vlogs because I'm not used to do vlogs. This is going to be a vlog style, and I'm going to give you a quick update that I'm practicing shooting on cameras, and I'm sure I'll be soon shooting on cameras so you get a better clarity video. And I'm really sorry that I'm delaying this for a very long time, but I don't know, I'm just practicing, and I'll do it, guys. I'll do it, don't worry. No sponsorship, by the way. All of the products that I'll show you, I've got it from my own money. Really, I have to save my pocket money to buy all those stuff. So yeah, it is definitely not sponsored. And okay, don't leave hate comments, although I don't get hate comments, but still don't be like I own this much, because it is for you guys, because I need to try some new products to give you a review about it, and then you will buy it. I do that for you guys. I review it for you. I try different products so that I can give you how much worthy that stuff is, or how much worthy a specific makeup product is, because I don't want you to waste your hard-earned money on that. This is what I love doing. I love to try new makeups. I love makeup basically, and skincare obviously. I love makeup and skincare so much, and that is why I do it. Okay, really sorry for that. That is why I do it. So yeah, let's quickly get into the video. This is the long ass intro, right? So video. So guys, this is how my vanity looks, and here is the camera. Hi. And this is how it looks, and yeah, I have just put a light so that you can properly see what is exactly going on here. I have all my makeup here only in the front, so let's quickly get started. Let me just quickly say you that I have all my makeup here only. I don't have anything else anywhere. आप जितना यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, this is all the makeup I own. So let's quickly start from this side. Okay, so here we are. Let me get that for you. Okay, let me bring it here. This is my eyeshadow storage. Okay, so guys, this is my eyeshadow storage. Here are all the eyeshadows I always have. This is the Off Tropic one. This is the NYX Off Tropic palette. This is the new palette I've got. These three are also from Nika K. Okay, this both are Huda Beauty palettes which I never use. The down to one. Here are some of the palettes that okay, these are the Wet n Wild palette. This is the first palette I have ever got. This is from Maybelline, and this one is also Wet n Wild palette Comfort Zone. I have used this so much on my Instagram videos, so if you follow me, then you know. And these are some of the liquid eyeshadow from the Swiss Beauty, which I'm loving. I'm really loving. So I'll just keep it here. Okay, by the way, the boxes, ये इसका cover है ऊपर का, so I have just used this. Let's come to this one. So here I have the Maybelline contour palette. This is the Wet n Wild contour palette. This is the NYX blush. This is the highlighter Sugar in the Royal Rose. This is how it looks. And this one, so guys, you should never buy. This is in the shade Metal. You should never buy. This is a highlighter. It's so chunky and it's so bad. It's of no use basically. कुछ नहीं होता ये highlighter से. So just don't buy it. I would suggest to never buy it. So yeah, this section is probably over. Guys, I have a very little makeup, so please don't judge. It's me just starting out right now. So here in this section I have only got this from Amazon. It was for 200 bucks. I'll just link it down, don't worry. And here are all my skincare which I use on a daily basis. This is the lip butter from Face Shop, I love. This is the Laneige lip mask, sorry. This is the Mamaearth Bye Bye Blemishes cream. This is the serum which I'm using currently and I'm loving it, and you can see how much I have already used. I love this. I'm gonna repurchase this if I finished. I have never repurchased a serum, but I'm gonna purchase. That speaks a lot about a serum. This is the roll-on, Nivea roll-on, and this is the Nivea soft cream. Niche Pond's hair. Okay, let's first come to this. Here we have all the kajals and eyebrow pencils. This is the Maybelline one. This is the MAC one. This one, I don't know. Here we have all the kajals and pencils I have from K Beauty, Sugar, everything here. And this is the eye cream I use, the only eye cream I have. Okay guys, now we'll come to this part. Here I have kept all my nail polishes and like highlighters, serum, all random stuff here on this side. Here are two nail polishes. This one I got recently. This one is the Huda Beauty lipstick I got recently. I just used it once. These are two lip balm from Nykaa. This is the Face Shop like tint. I use it as a blush. This is the Nykaa lipstick. This is the Maybelline lipstick. This is the Nykaa. This is again Maybelline. This is the serum that I have been using from a long time. This is the Estee Lauder serum. This is the MAC lipstick. This is Wet n Wild, and this one is the Wet n Wild Hello glitter. Sorry, it is a highlighter, basically liquid highlighter. So guys, we will quickly jump into this section. Please don't mind, my vlog skills are really bad. This is my first time I'm vlogging, so please don't mind that. Here is the sugar. Here I've kept all my setting powder, setting spray, primer and foundation. All are in this stuff. Fit Me, this is the Fit Me foundation. This is the Wet n Wild setting spray. NYX, Maybelline, and this one is a makeup remover from Face Shop. That one oil based remover. This one is a foundation again from Miss Adora. This is Wet n Wild foundation. This is Nykaa foundation. This is a Wet n Wild primer. This are BB creams. This is another makeup remover. Here I have Sugar Ka setting powder. Here I have Blue Heaven settings powder, and here I have this one is my favorite primer of all. This is the L'Oreal primer Base Magique, and this one is a night cream that I'm trying to complete, but it smells so bad that I just cannot. And this one is here because I use this before my makeup, so I have kept it here. If I am ever going to put any makeup, then I'm going to use this before my makeup, so I have kept it here. And this one are two eyeliners from Lakme, and this one I don't know, from this market I got it for 100 bucks. So okay guys, this one I have, this one is the place where I have all my brushes that I use in a daily basis. I have kept this box for my Instagram because this is a highlighter brush, this is a foundation brush, this is a powder brush, and these are all the eye brushes that I need in my daily life, like for makeup. And these are some of the random brushes, like I don't use them on daily basis, but they're just here, from Miniso, from Amazon, like basic stuff. So here I have kept my perfume that I use on a daily basis. This is not makeup, I'm just letting you know. And this is the cream that I use before my makeup, or naturally I use this a lot, so I have kept it here. So this stuff is where I keep all my concealers. So let me just show you this. Here I have the Swiss Beauty concealer back. So I'm really sorry, my storage full ho gaya, sorry, iPhone problems. So here I have all the concealers. Let's quickly come into this one. This I have kept my mascaras here, and I have only 3 mascaras. That one is from Clinique, this one is from Wet n Wild, and this one is my first mascara ever. This is the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. my favorite mascara. And here I have kept all the random stuff that I need to complete. Basically, this one, the baby lips. This one is the Maybelline gel liner. I use it a lot nowadays. And this one is the Good Vibes lip balm, and it's not a makeup, but don't buy this stuff. I'm telling you, it's worst. Don't buy this. And this one is a Tinkle face shaver, or whatever you tell it. I kept it here because I use it obviously weekly. And this is where I keep all my sponges. This is from Nykaa, this is from Bahar Ka Thoda, that is from Pack. And this one are so worthless. I got this from Zimi करके एक स्टोर है just like Miniso. I got it from there and it's so worthless. Just don't buy it ever. Even if you really want to buy it, never buy it. It's really bad. Okay, let me just show you what I have in this drawer, because there are makeup. Here I have this my favorite stuff which I use a lot, you know. This is the Nykaa concealer, foundation, whatever you can say. I use this a lot. This is how it looks. Hi, this is how it looks. And I use this a lot. You can see it's already like gadda ho gaya beech mein. So let me show you what else I have in this. This is the mirror for shooting videos and all. This is the Nykaa lashes, which are pretty useless. This are Dr. Belmar spatch kit or whatever kit. Okay, this one is my favorite. I'm not using it anymore because this is, I think, not anymore available on Nykaa, and I really don't want to use this anymore. I just love this compact and I don't want it to get over. I have just kept it for special occasions, and this is my first compact ever. I really like it. I was trying to open it but I couldn't open it. Yeah, I opened it. So this is how it looks. It looks really nice. So again, here I have the Fit Me powder, and it is really nice powder. I have kept it inside because यहाँ पे रखने के लिए जगह नहीं है. It's really big. And here again I have some random stuffs which are not basically makeup. Okay, this one is a foundation brush which I use बहुत कम. I don't know, these bristles are really hard, so I don't use it. And I have this one which is a eyelash, अब इसको क्या बोलते हो, eyelash color, and I don't use it much. I use it sometimes. I sometimes feel I'm gonna hurt my eyes on this, so I don't use it much. Okay, this is a nail polish remover. These are also pretty useless. I really like the Blue Heaven one, which is the dip and twist. I really like this one, but this one is pretty useless. अभी तक पूरा होगा, मैंने एक वाइप यूज़ किया था, कुछ काम का नहीं है. So yeah, you have to use like 2-3 wipes for at least one hand if your nail polish are matte. And I always use matte nail polishes because I love matte nail polishes. So yeah, so guys, here we to an end of this video, and I have shown you everything. If you really want to see a collection of skincare, then do let me know in the comments down below and I would do it for you guys. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Just down there, that red subscribe button, just click on it, and you can also click on the bell button so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, I'll see you next time with another rocking video. So yeah, bye bye, take care.